Welcome back to my tutorial video. This video will tell you how to trick an idiot. Let's go! First of all, let's see what you will need. You will need a fake PlayStation 5, 2 papers attached to a Wi-Fi router, an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Remember, you will need to download a powerful app that can only run by the latest technology. 999 Bacc. You need a lot of money to get this app, and you need a lot of treasures. A secret Bacc man. Bacc men are very rare and can only be found in the country of Brazil. Good luck! Finally, you will need Bacc Studio and Bacc Studio's secret developer mode, which allows you to access the power of the Idiot Tricker. The Idiot Tricker is very rare, and I will give you a tutorial on how to create it soon. You can now pause the video if you want to get these items. Once you've completed all of the tutorial videos on how to get these and get all the items, resume the video. Have you got your resources? Alright, let's continue to the good stuff. We are nearing the end of the tutorial. The main part is now starting. Get ready! Alright, step 1.